In this video, I'll show you how to create a DXF file from this imported step solid model and use this to create a cutting path for the Protomax Waterjet. Yes, okay, so that looks right. Now the next thing is, I don't know about your CAD software, but it's important to keep the scale 1:1 so that the exported DXF is the right size to your part. And I get rid of any extraneous information. Okay, so that's what I'm going to save as a DXF. And we'll call it gearbox tab.dxf. Alright, now now that we have our DXF, we're gonna open a program from Protomax, or from OMAX, called the Protomax Layout. So with the DXF, you want to go and import from other CAD. Okay, at this point, I just use the defaults, but if there was text or other things, you would be selecting here to appropriately remove that information. Click OK. Alright, so that's our layout of the part that we're going to want to cut. And a neat feature with this software is called AutoPath. It will automatically generate the tool path. So there you see the path, and if you look at this point, this is what would be our start. It's sort of like at the extremities of the piece. Quick way to check if it's cutting right is to do render, and it should show you that's what it'll leave. So all you have to do is move the mouse, and it will go back to the way it was. So now we're going to say post, which will create the path. You click the start point, which I'll click right here, and now it's created the path for cutting. We'll save that, and now we want to take that into what's called, right now we're in Protomax Layout, we want to take it to Protomax Make. So we'll right click here and say Open Make, and it's loading that into the Make software, which we will drag over here for you to see. Now in this one, you select what the material type is, what the thickness of the material is. So this is mild steel at 090 thick, and then you click OK. And now it's loading that into the Make software, this is what controls the Waterjet. And I'll show you this software on the actually on the machine, on the computer that's connected to the Waterjet. And from here, it will create your program. Software. So it shows that where it's cutting at the present time, and then let me show you the machine. Right now the yellow cup is covering up the hole we're cutting, and it's going to start getting actually cloudy from the garnet. See it cut the hole. This is what the finished parts look like. As you can see, we show 3 parts here. 2 of them are identical, and we showed you how to make them in this video. The third part, we didn't record how we made it, but it's also shown here.